What's up, YouTube? We're just doing another little vlog here. I put some mud flaps on the car. I became a racer and just unbolted my exhaust. So it just sounds like a it just sounds like an exhaust leak. So we're gonna take a drive here and we're going to a friend's house to get some better hardware because my hardware is not that good. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Time for a quick time lapse. Oh, something else I should have said. We're gonna be testing out the magnets. I left them on the door, and we'll see how they do because I think we're hitting the highway to get where we're going. So we'll see how this goes. Dang, it looks nice out right now.
Yeah.
All right, we have made it. We came over to a buddy's that is here in Madeira. He was the guy that was actually cruising with us on that cruise when I was with the A86 and MR2. That's his butte right there, not my son, the car.
Right.
We came over here just because my hardware was a little iffy and not looking good, so he decided he was gonna hook me up just because this thing is beautiful. So as you can see, mud flaps are on and my magnets actually stayed on. I've only driven about, I don't know, I think 50-60 miles, and it did good. But now I did the true test, so when I get to hopefully take this thing on Button Willow, not just the actual cart but the track, we'll be able to have some fun. So we'll get onto this and we'll see you guys again in a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot my tripod, so it is what it is. I improvise.
You brought the sun with you.
That's true.
And this is his baby that he's working on as well. One day I'll get up into the hype of it. I just want to, but the first thing I plan on doing with like the motor is the motor mounts, the timing belt, the regular serpentine belt, and then there's one other thing that I was supposed to do. I forgot what it was. Dang, I'm forgetting it.
Turbo.
He said turbo. Well, before I do a turbo, I'd want to do a 5-speed swap in it, just because the 4-speed it is fun and it is strong. I actually did go through the gears.
That's right.
Yep, 4-speed, boy.
I'll tell you this. Make you a deal. You help me get the 6-speed for her, I'll give you my 5-speed.
That would be dope. That would be a good swap.
You know it would fit.
Oh, exactly. Oh man, but yeah, like these tires, man, you can see the cracks in them. They're old as hell.
They're one a nut.
Yeah, just so you can tell how bad I did.
Might as well, go for a before and after.
I know what it looks like before,
so
I helped him line it up.
Yeah, he did. Because he was standing underneath the car, or behind the car, and he was like, oh, that one's a little bit at an angle.
Man, these are off. These I got off Angel's 07. His white STI.
Oh, nice.
And it's a full set.
That looks so much better.
I can't bend down all the way down there.
Oh, don't worry about it. Yeah, that's
And
fine.
the nice thing is,
Yeah, that looks like it looks better.
shit's hard to come off. And then when they do, they just pop
Yep.
right in.
Oh, man.
So I'm gonna have you crank the wheel the other way.
Go ahead, Damien. You can do it for me. You know what to do.
Yeah.
Perks of having a kid at a young age. They grow older with you as you get somewhat older.
One. Keep going.
Yep, keep going.
You gonna be needing a lot of room. Go till it clicks.
Yep, that's it right there.
Everything? Okay.
Go ahead and shut it off.
We'll work with it. We'll look. And usually you only need 2. And I thought you had all 4. I didn't realize you only had 2.
What, like 2 holes?
No, 2 flaps.
Oh, no, I have 2 in the back. Yeah, the 2 in the back are the ones that have the bolts. Those 2 in the front have screws. The ones in the back have bolts.
Oh my lord, no wonder I didn't see them.
Because they're tucked in there like crazy.
They're tucked in like...
They don't sit out there like a real mud flap as supposed to, because I'm a freaking weeb. Oh man, it is a beautiful day, man. Coming out here, the weather was you can see all the mountains.
Skunk.
Oh yeah, when we were driving on the way here, there was a dead skunk and you could definitely smell it. Yeah, the 2 in the front are the actual, they're not cut up and messed up. The ones in the back are the ones that are jagged up and all that nonsense. Yeah, I just eyed it. This thing is beautiful. Sweet. I can't wait for next Sunday. It's gonna be fun. Even if I'm running on these crappy tires, I will get it done. I'm not looking to drift around and beat the crap out of it, but maybe I'll see if someone will have some kind of tires that they could lend me, or tires and rims, and we'll figure it out. Oh yeah, now the back ones are the ugly boys. Oh yeah. Oh, you're skipping rocks? Just make sure as you're skipping them, just throw them into the dirt area. Don't put them where the cars drive, okay? Oh, man.
I have a question.
So there you go, now you can get screwed.
Woohoo! What's up?
How does this drain?
How does this drain?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a drain somewhere over here. It'll dry up and be fine. What's up?
I said most likely into the dirt.
Oh yeah, probably.
Why is it so warm?
Well, you gotta remember it rained last night.
Oh, yeah. And this morning.
Yep. Oh. Man. That looks better. I like that a lot. These tires don't look too happy, but oh god, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. That looks horrible. But we're gonna send it. It should pass tech. Hopefully it passes tech. Oh man, that poke.
Tailgate's being used as a temporary table.
That poke is nice.
Yeah, but I want to go have lunch. I'm a fat man that needs substance.
Give me 5
I feel you there.
Actually, if you're going out,
Hell yeah. That's how you know you're out in the middle of a good area.
Oh, you should
one dude out here with a side by side with snow trap.
Oh, what? There's the first mod we're doing to the car as far as making holes, but I'm not stressed about it. It makes it look better. I'm not worried one bit. Oh, weight reduction. What's up?
You got any jump through process?
Okay, I mean, you could try it. Just if you get wet, just know you're gonna get wet. Just get a running start at it. If you can, go ahead and angle that way, just to hopefully not hurt yourself. Yeah. See, I. Oh, your whole shoe is soaked.
God darn it!
Lift your pants up so that it doesn't stay getting soaked. Are your socks wet?
Yeah. It went through
Missed the jump.
I had to wait because of my water bottle.
Oh, look at my little splash compared to his big one.
It went hard.
Oh, shenanigans. Oh,
Walking around, bro.
it's alright. I won't leave you in your wet socks for too long. If you want to take them off and sit in the car, you can. That's just up to you.
I put back on my shoes. I'm calm back.
Okay. Now I gotta try to make it back across this thing again. Yeah, I didn't want to splash him. That would have been bad.
I would have just been worried about the keys.
True, very true. Yeah, man, this definitely looks a lot better. It really does. Oh yeah, for those that don't know, the other day when I was actually doing this, the mud flaps on the car, Damien was messing around and busted his elbow a little bit. And you're wearing two different socks.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh man. Oh yeah, that poke is nice. Hell yeah. I am happy with that. Were you just gonna put your shoes back on?
Yeah.
Well, are your shoes soaked?
Only the front.
Okay.
Wait, we go back to the
What's up?
You open the door, triangle it.
Open the door?
Yeah, just triangle it. Okay, that's good.
There you go. Oh yeah. That little flare out looks beautiful.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Oh,
Fucking, that was tilted just a hair.
oh just a little bit. Yeah, you can see it.
Tilted just a hair. Yeah, you're not gonna notice.
Again?
See, I can basically make it.
Oh man, you're crazy.
It's only my
Hey,
ankles.
whatever happens with it, I don't even care. It looks good to me. I'm not worried. It's not meant to look perfect. The car is meant to be driven and have fun with. So I'm not stressing about it at all. Except for this boy, possibly gonna get sick because because of his shenanigans in the water. Oh man.
Your feet are kind of wet.
Yeah, I'm just hanging out here at John's. We're sitting here. He's adding some goodies to his car, and we're just shooting shit pretty much. So it's another Saturday hanging out, relaxing. I'm happy he was able to help me out with my mud flaps, because my job didn't look that good. He definitely made it look better. And again, thank you for that, sir.
Oh,
Hey,
hey, it's what I'm good at.
I respect that. Yeah, soon we'll see this thing back out again. We'll go for another good cruise.
When she's all done, all
Oh, yeah.
said and done, I ain't gotta touch her.
Hell yeah. So close.
Yet so far.
All right, we're gonna be heading out. So again, thank you for your help, man. I appreciate it. We'll see you again soon.
We'll be here struggling.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's just another random vlog. Nothing special. Yeah. We'll see you in the next one.
Another day, Nicole.
You gonna jump in the driver's seat and start it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Are you just gonna jump over?
Yeah.
All right, if you want to.
I don't want to step in the.
Mind the mess. I haven't done anything in the car yet.
And
Barefoot butt because you had to jump in water.
I did it on accident. I had too much weight on me. Turn around.
All right, hold on real quick. I'm gonna put this under the car. Go ahead.